Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can invite friends on Steam. It's pretty simple. So to invite friends, at the top of your Steam you can see this option called friend. Click on it and click on this option called add a friend. Once you click on add a friend, it's going to take you to the friend adding section. Over here you can click on where it says add a friend option. Now once you're in add a friend option, there's multiple ways you can search for a friend. The first way is to enter your friend's code. So you can tell your friend to go to this section and there's going to be this code. So this is the code. If I share it with my friends, they can add me. So your friend is also going to have a code like this. Tell your friends to send you the code and you need to type the code over here and press on enter and you can connect with your friends. And the other method to add your friend is scroll a bit down and over here enter the username of your friend. His username or his profile name. After you enter his username or his profile name, you can just click on the search button and it will search for the person and you can add the person. That is how you guys can add friends on Steam. And if you want to invite your friends to a game, you can click on your friend and it's going to show you the list of all the friends you have. You can just right click on your friend's name and click on invite to game and it's going to send an invitation to your friend. But your friend needs to be online for the invitation to go. That is how you guys can find friends and invite them to a game on Steam. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.